Told me that you'd always be here for me. Now it turns out that I'm here, oh Lord.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kim. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you can tell this is a little bit different because you guys rarely ever see me in makeup on my channel, and it's actually been a hot minute since I've been in makeup. But I actually decided to start doing makeup tutorials sometimes. So this is just a really quick, easy glam, so highlights popping, all that. But yeah, so this is gonna be my official first makeup tutorial on this channel. I'm gonna do a lot of like different looks, like fun looks, day wearable looks, like for some people this would be like an everyday type makeup, and for some people like myself it's not necessarily everyday. If you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. So I always start off by moisturizing my face. Whether you have dry or oily skin, like, it's absolutely important to moisturize your skin. So go ahead and get that moisture in, girl. Like, it's a must. Then I followed up with the NYX Honeydew Me Up primer. It is more of a moisturizing primer because I do have dry skin, dry to normal skin. Then I followed up with my MAC Matchmaster in the shade 8.0 foundation. This is definitely full coverage, and I only ended up using about, like, I would say about 3 full pumps on my entire face, and you can see the coverage that I got was very good.
Violates, I'm gonna defend mine. Whoops, I'ma get the right sign. Tired of the sign, I'm tired of the light.
Yeah, I most definitely had to get these bags from up under my eyes, so I went ahead and concealed with this Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer from their Conceal and Contour palette. Then I followed up just to darken it a little bit because it is a little bit intense for my skin tone, with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Cool Tan. And I followed up with the contour palette, the contour shade, the contour, how do you say that word? The contour shade from the same Anastasia palette. Went ahead, put that right below my cheekbones and in my temples. Then you just want to make sure you blend because you absolutely do not want a harsh dark line on the side of your face. Like, that is just weird looking, and you don't want him to step outside looking weird in any type of way unless that is your intention. So go ahead and blend like your life depends on it, because it does, trust me. And yeah, just go ahead, blend.
Sipping on Hennessy.
How you guys liking the idea of me doing makeup videos now? Let me know what you think about my first makeup tutorial. Be mindful though that this is my first shot, so don't be too hard on your girl. But go ahead, comment down below, let me know if you like it. All these products will be listed in the description box below as well. So if you don't hear me really talking about what product it is, they will be listed in order of how I use them. So I'll make sure it's just very clear exactly what I did here. But yeah, I'm just packing on some Sascha up under these eyes just to make sure I set this concealer in place so that it don't be moving around throughout the day. But yeah, so I got a whole new setup, and I do apologize as well for the light moving in and out because I was relying heavily on the sun, and the light was just, it was a very overcast day, and it was just cloudy one minute and then the next minute it was real bright. So for future reference, I'll be sure to make sure I set up lights. But aside from that, go ahead and let me know what you think about the video. But yeah, I just did a real quick eye look. Every single shadow from this look is from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe, the original white palette that she had did. So if you have that palette, you will have no issue at all recreating this look. If you don't, most of these colors you can find in other palettes. So, but they will all be listed down below regardless.
Grandma said, grandson, don't be afraid to vent, cause nothing in life is permanent. Drinking all this liquor lyrics.
But yeah, I just decided to add that the original dark burgundy shade to deepen up that crease just a little bit more. And then I just popped in the middle right there that little shimmer shade just to give it a little bit more dimension. And this is just a really quick not necessarily everyday look, but just like if you're just going out somewhere kind of simple and you still want to look like you put some effort into your appearance that day, then this is a cute little look. Yeah, I'm just tightlining a little bit with a dark brown because I did not want it to be too intense, because like I said, this is geared to be a more simple look. So instead of doing like a wing liner, I just opted for a little dark brown just to, you know, open my eyes up a little bit. Then I'm using this Better Than Sex mascara, which I am not gonna lie, this is my first time using it and I was most definitely impressed. I didn't even need to use lashes afterwards, even though I could, but I didn't feel like I needed to. I just popped some blushy blush on these cheekbones, so you know. And then I did go ham most definitely on this highlight. Like this highlight was all the way popping. Like that's that Jeffree star, I'm telling you. Shit was real popping. Yes ma'am. Went ahead and lined these lips with this matte chestnut lip pencil, followed up with Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade, I believe, Veronica. Miss Veronica. Go ahead and add to me on all my social media accounts so you can catch up with me even when I'm not posting videos. We should all be friends, so why not? And now I got to do something with this raggedy ass head. Like, this is not cute, absolutely not. Can't do your face and have your hair looking like this. So I'm just going to do a quick little look. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you like the new switch up, if you like me doing makeup videos, or if you just like just this video in general, go ahead, please give this video a thumbs up so I can know how you feel about it. Even if you don't like it, give the video a thumbs down then, so I can know that there's things that I need to fix about it. If you are not a part of the family, I upload every Wednesday and Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you are notified whenever I upload a video. Until next time, guys, bye. Mwah.